Today we will learn the parts of computer. First, we will know what is a computer. A computer is an electronic device that takes information as input and gives us output. It has the ability to store, retrieve and process the data. Now we will know some uses of computer. A computer is a very useful machine and it is used at several places such as schools, home, banks, hospitals, airports and railway stations. Okay? In schools, the computer helps the teacher to teach and prepare report card. At home, it helps you to do homework, play games and watch movies. Now we will learn the computer parts name. What is this? Monitor. What is this? Screen. What is this? CPU. What is this? Keyboard. And what is this? Mouse. What is monitor? A monitor is used to display the work going on inside the computer. What is screen? A monitor screen is the area of monitor where pictures or output data displays. Okay. What is CPU? CPU is the brain of computer and it is used to store all the information. What is keyboard? Keyboard is a set of keys that enables you to enter data into computer. It is the main input device of the computer. What is mouse? A computer mouse is an input device that is used with a computer. Moving a mouse along a flat surface can move the cursor to different items on the screen. Items can be moved or selected by pressing the mouse buttons called clicking. Now you know the parts of computer. So I will show you the picture and you have to tell me the name of that part. What is this? Monitor. What is this? CPU. What is this? Keyboard. Good. What is this? Mouse. Right. Now we know the computer parts name very well. So we will do a matching exercise. Match the computer parts with their name. What is this? Keyboard. And where is keyboard? Here. So we will match this to this. What is this? Mouse. Where is mouse? Here. So we will match this to this. What is this? CPU. And where is CPU? Here. So we will match this to this. What is this? Monitor. And where is monitor? Here. So we will match this to this. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel.